Hey, how's it going, everybody? Just want to do a quick update on the crypto markets today. It's the first day of Easter, Good Friday, and everything's in the red. And so basically got a lot of people talking about this, saying, well, is it going a lot lower from here? Easter, is this, some people are saying, well, is this the end? Is this going down? We've always got those naysayers, and you've got some people saying, well, this is the best buying opportunity. So I've titled, will April be the bottom? And truth is, I don't know. Who knows for sure? But one thing I do hear a lot about is the consensus meeting in May, 14th of May in New York. Many people saying, well, when it happened last year, for example, or even before and during, it had, in anticipation, had a big rally, led to the big rally that led all the way through to the end of the year. And could that be a repeat of this year? Not knowing for sure, but there are some people within the industry saying, well, there are people that are waiting there. Some of the big money's waiting there to see if the right regulations are in, if they can get in and so forth. So, I'm not gonna, I guess I'm not so gutsy to make a call, because it could go a lot lower from here, even if it does rally eventually. It's tough. Timing is tough. Sometimes, from experiences in other markets like the stock market, sometimes it's better just be in than not be in. But this is a very volatile market, and so, it's not financial advice, and you've got to have a certain amount of courage getting in, and then obviously not risking more than you can afford to lose. But yes, I was going to try and get the screen up here, but it's not quite happening. So I can see the coin market cap there at about 250 billion, which I've heard a couple of people saying could go down to 200 billion. Others saying, well, it can't go below 200 billion. Time will tell. But yes, I just wanted to make this quick update, see what's going on. A lot of people concerned, and others are just saying, wow, what a great opportunity. So it really is tough, and it really is hard to make a general comment in these markets, and opinions are so varied. But I guess I just wanted to share my thoughts. As I'm relatively new to the YouTubing space, don't take my word for anything, basically, because copy what I do, and you'll probably lose a lot of money. But it's certainly interesting. It's certainly interesting to look into consensus, what's going on. Find some videos out there on consensus. Find out what people are saying, and also, of course, do your own research. There could be some great opportunities, but again, not for those that aren't, I guess, prepared for the volatility, because, unfortunately, it's one of the things many people in this space, they get in, and they really get scared when the volatility kicks in. And if that's the case, then maybe, you could still put in a little bit of money, I guess, and then ride it out, but yeah, not certainly something to put your house on if that's what you're afraid of, and not just generally just putting a lot into a new space is probably not necessarily a good idea anyway. But anyway, that's my 2 cents worth on that. So thanks for listening, and hopefully I'll have a few more graphics for you next time. Bye for now.